Hey, what's going on? It's your brother, your lover, the king, K Sun Official. Back with a quick video. We're just sitting in a 2025 Mazda CX90 GT. Pretty decent. As you know, I'm a huge fan of Mazda. I really think the brand is underrated. They are a great competitor against all the Japanese brands such as Honda, Acura, Toyota, and Lexus. I think Mazda, even though they don't have a luxury line, their vehicles, depending which models you go with, they tend to have a great blend of sport, luxury, and economy. This being their flagship crossover SUV, CX90 GT, this is nice. A lot of soft touch materials, the fake carbon fiber, leather stitched wrapped steering wheel, 3-spoke, beautiful Mazda symbol in the middle, all your controls, voice command, volume, radio controls, cruise control, adaptive cruise control, all that great stuff. Brake hold, electronic parking brake. I'm not a huge fan of these, but this is where all vehicles are going now, I guess, to save space. And it's also better for maintenance. No cables that can seize, so there's no manual park, there's no hand parking brake, so it's all electronic, which is, it's technology, right? You got to go with the times. Beautiful shifter, just your typical park, reverse, neutral drive, your cruise control, your hill assist, and your park sensor. Very nice. Volume control, and this button here, I'm not sure what that does, but who knows. This is your infotainment control. It controls this large screen right here. Mazda's doing this with all their vehicles. You have a fixed screen that doesn't move, doesn't hide, doesn't go down, it just stays. In their earlier models, I know they had issues with the screens breaking in the cold weather or developing small cracks. I don't know if that's been fixed, but this is the way most car manufacturers are going now. Even Mercedes, even Honda, Acura, same thing, fixed screen. All your controls for your climate are here. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, rear defrost, front defrost, your fan controls, the direction where you want it to go, and it also has dual climate control. So one side can be cold, one side can be hot. Pretty nice vehicle. Like I said, very, very soft touch materials, padded inside here, lots of space. We're gonna check out the back seats shortly. Let's open this guy here. This is nice and padded. Glove box. But yeah, here's my seating position. I'm about 6 foot. Very nice. Very, very nice. We're gonna go in the back seats now and check them out. But before we go in the back seats, let's check out the front seats. So here's the passenger side. You have your pleather. I think this is synthetic leather, but it feels nice nonetheless. Nice and firm. Again, stitching all around. Very, very nice. I'm not sure how I feel about this, fake carbon fiber sort of chain look. I'm not exactly sure how I feel. It almost looks a bit tacky, in my opinion. I think they should have gone with just a black finish. Very nice seating. Let's get to the back seats. So this is nice. They are bucket seats, almost like a airplane cabin. These seats can be folded. They can fold and stow, which is neat. Then you have your back seats here, which is a bench. But again, very soft feeling, very nice. Very nice car, extremely nice. You have USB Type-C back here for your entertainment. Very nice. Let's get a couple body shots. Let's not forget the rear vents and climate control buttons. Also Type-C USB for the rear passengers. You got your Falcon ZTEX CT60. Very large tires. 275, 45, 21 inches. Very, very nice. So again, we're in the back seats. This is my seating position. Again, I'm 6 foot tall. I'm behind my driver position. Very, very nice. Lots of room. Again, it feels like an airplane in here. You can recline the seats. You can move them forward and back. Very nice. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like. Comment down below. Let me know if this is a vehicle that you actually like. Let me know if this is something that you would buy for your family. I think it's well made. I think Mazda is definitely a great competitor against all the other manufacturers. I've driven a few Mazdas in my life and I enjoyed every single one of them. One more thing I should note, it has the beautiful window shade. So that's kind of cool. Again, Mazda, they really know how to make a great blend of luxury, sport, and economical. An economical vehicle that's affordable for the average consumer. So that brings us to the end. We're gonna sign off. It's your brother, your lover, the king, K Son Official. One love. Shout out to everybody. Remember, subscribe, follow, share, like, and comment. I'll see you on the next one. Peace, everybody.